Starts now. Yes. Yes. One of the rarest of the rare occurrences that happens in our galaxy is when all the 8 major planets align themselves on one part of the sky. The last time this event happened was in the year 949 AD. The next time this will happen is on the 6th of May, year 2492 AD. We are not that special to watch such an event. Another rare event that happens in our galaxy is when Aachen Toastmasters has a free English speaking slot 1 week before the meeting. I don't know when this event happened in the past. I don't know when it will happen again in the future. So I took my opportunity to book my speech today. My dear Toastmasters and guests from Aachen and other places, I have a problem. I don't know what to speak on because of my haste. Usually in our Toastmaster speeches, the speaker speaks about a problem, highlights a problem, and then he provides a solution for his problem. But today, I am not going to give you any solutions. I am just going to talk about my problems. So this is going to be my unpaid therapy session from you guys. Problem number 1. Fat, belly fat, stubborn belly fat, the spare tire, the love handles, the muffin top, whatever you call it. Can you blame me for this? In this COVID lockdown, everything is closed. Gyms are closed, swimming halls are closed, martial arts centers are closed. Basically, everything that I'm interested in is closed. But do you know what is actually working? Lieferando is still working. I am also trying basic ground exercises, but it is of no effect. Some people are immune to diseases. I am immune to exercise. The next obvious step would be to control my diet. Maybe I'm eating the wrong things. So I did my research. They told me that eating the bananas would make me fat. I stopped eating bananas. They told me eating potatoes would make me fat. I stopped eating potatoes, even though I like pommes a lot. They told me eating chocolate would make me fat. There are some things which even I cannot do. Also, dark chocolate is very good for the heart. Therefore, what I do is I eat 5 regular chocolates so that the cocoa content is equivalent to 1 dark chocolate. You have to improvise in such situations. And thirdly, I also started recently this year this thing called intermittent fasting or interval fasting. This is when you eat your meals within a gap of 8 hours, and then for the rest of the 16 hours you don't eat anything. Maybe you can drink water. What is fascinating is that after doing this, my weight increased. This is a medical miracle. This is beyond science. After listening to my rant, a friend of mine suggested, I think you should go running, like in an isolated place, so that there is no risk of getting this COVID. Let me tell you why that is a very bad idea. And this is problem number 2. It is -8 degrees outside in Bavaria, and the road is covered with ice. I don't want to slip and fall down. Also, I am a human being. I am not a polar bear. I do not survive in that habitat. One of the unique effect of this cold is that not only am I not able to sleep properly in the night, I am also not able to wake up in the morning. This is some kind of quantum loop effect. This is also happening, that is also happening. Both opposing effects are happening at the same time. And the effect of this lack of sleep, according to some random YouTube video, I don't know whether it's authentic or not, he says that the lack of sleep would result in, you guessed it, weight gain. So problem 1 causes problem 2, and problem 2 again causes problem 1. But let me tell you what is problem 3. As I already told you, this is a very last minute speech, so I don't have a conclusion for this speech. Usually the speakers, what they do is they sell their solution to the problem to drive the nail on their head. But as I already told you, I don't have any solutions. I'm just giving you my problems. You, my fellow Toastmasters and my guests, you can give me the solution. So please write that in your feedback form for me in the message, and you can be my unpaid therapists. Dear Akan, I have told you my problems. You can provide me the solution. Thank you.